Okay, now children observe the next example. What's the difference over here that I have taken three numbers over here. These three numbers you are going to take out the LCM by division method. So what I'm going to do, same procedure, same steps I'm going to follow over here again. I'm going to write down these three numbers over here in my division column by putting the commas in between. The first one is 18, comma, 27, comma, and 36. Now I'm going to check that by which prime number I'm going to divide these three digits. Over here I have two choices. Either I can choose the number 1 prime number, even prime number 2, or I can choose 3. I have two choices over here, and because it's a least common multiple LCM, so I'm going to start with the smallest common prime divisor, that is 2. So I'm going to write down this 2 over here. Now I'm going to start dividing and writing the quotients under the dividends. In the table of 2, 18 comes by 9s. So I'm going to write down under 18, 9 under 18 like this. Comma in between again, because 27 doesn't come in the table of 2, so it will be written as it is. Now 36 can be divided by 2, so I'm going to write down the quotient of 36 under 36. In the table of 2, 36 comes by 18s, so I have written 18. You can multiply and check that 2 18s are 36, sorry. Now I am going to check that again I'm going to take twos table, or I have to choose the other table. So I can see that still one even number is left over here. That means I can divide this with the table of 2. 9 doesn't come, so it will be written as it is. 27 doesn't come, so it will be written as it is. But 18, this comes in the table of 2, and the quotient will be 9s are 2 9s are 18. Now I can observe that 2 cannot be taken again, because now these are the odd numbers. So I'm going to choose my next prime divisor, that is 3. It will be written on this side. Now in the table of 3, 9 comes by 3s are, so 3 will be written over here. 27 comes by 9s are, so 9 will be written over here, and 3 3s are 9. Again I am going to choose the table of 3. I got my first one as a quotient, and 3 3s are 9. I got my second ones over here, but this 3 is still left to be converted into 1, so I'm going to choose 3's table again, 1 as it is. Now 3 1s are 3. I got my all 3 ones in the last row. I brought my all the ones down as a quotient. Now my division is over. I'm going to write down my second last step, that is common multiple. I'm going to multiply all these prime divisors. First you have to write down in this step 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. In the last step you are going to find out the LCM of 18, 27 and 36. Multiply all of them. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, and 36 3s are, if you don't know the table, multiply in a rough column as I am doing it over here. 36 multiply by 3, 6 3s are 18, 1 carry, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. That means my LCM is 108. This is my final answer. The LCM of 18, 27 and 36 is 108. This is your division method. You are finding the LCM by division method. I hope children you understood what I was trying to telling you. Now you can see some more examples in your book. Kindly do those the practice of those sums and the assignment as well.